Welcome to week 6 of the RD online program. We're already into November, can you believe it? So if you haven't already joined us on one of our workshops, we're really looking forward to welcoming you this week. This week's focus really is about presenting your research and getting your research out there. That's why this week we have workshops focusing on research impact, presenting your research, and also research conferences. There's lots of opportunities for you to share your research. Why not join us on Twitter at our regular tweet chats, which do happen every month, so do keep an eye out for the next one as well. And finally this week, you're finding that self-sabotage is something that isn't helping your progress. Well, at the end of this week, we have a session especially for those of you who want to beat self-sabotage. So come along, share with others, and learn how you can get rid of those gremlins and become more successful.